Futures and forex trading contains substantial risk and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. This content is not trading advice and should be used for educational purposes only. Please take a moment to review the full disclaimer. Hello, I'm Kevin, and today we're diving into the volume profile drawing tool by ChartSpots. You can download this indicator directly from chartspots.com/profile drawing tool. Link below for quick access. The volume profiling tool is a powerful trading asset that analyzes volume data over a selected time period and displays it by price rather than time. This approach lets you clearly spot key support and resistance levels and identify price zones with the most price fluctuation, giving you actionable insights to fine-tune your trading strategy. It also lets you plot the volume point of control and value area. To get started, install the indicator through NinjaTrader's Control Center. Just go to Tools, select Import, and then select NinjaScript add-on. This begins your fully functional 2-week trial. Now let's walk through how to use the volume profile drawing tool. Start by opening a chart for the ES futures using 1-minute candlesticks. To draw your first volume profile, click on the drawing tool button. It's represented by a pencil icon. Then select volume profile drawing tool. Your cursor changes to a pencil, allowing you to click where you want the volume profile to start. The first time you do this after installation, there might be a slight delay. Just select the drawing tool again and it'll work smoothly from then on. After setting your start point, click on the chart where you want the end point for the data you want the profile to cover. To edit properties, remove a profile, or change the start and end point, you can either double-click the profile on the chart or navigate to Drawing Tool and select Drawing Objects. Let's go over the key options for editing once you've selected the profile to modify. Under Data, you'll find Start Time and End Time. Here you can easily adjust the start and end time and date for this specific profile. You can also adjust this directly on the chart by cancelling this menu, which reveals 3 selectable points on the profile. You can drag the start and end point around or move the entire profile. In Display, you'll see Volume Profile Size. This controls how much horizontal space the profile occupies. Increasing this number widens the profile, while decreasing it narrows it. Next, we have several enable-disable level options. Starting with all options disabled. Enable volume point of control. This highlights the price level with the highest transacted volume in the profile. Enable value area. This shows the first deviation, by default set at 68%, of volume around the VPOC. You can adjust this parameter under value area percentage. In plot configuration, you can tweak colors and transparency for the profile, VPOC and value area. By default, the value area is a darker shade of Dodger blue. The VPOC's line width is set to 2, but you can increase this for a more prominent look. And that's it. Now you know how to install, configure and customize the volume profile drawing tool by ChartSpots. With these settings, you're ready to maximize this powerful tool for your trading strategy. If you haven't already, head over to chartspots.com/profile drawing tool to start your free trial and explore. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading tool tips and tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out on our website. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trading week.